Welcome to this introductory presentation on cryptography, the science of securing communication from prying eyes. Today, we'll explore how cryptography works, its core principles, and why it matters in the digital world. Cryptography allows two parties to communicate securely, ensuring no one else can intercept or tamper with the message. This is essential in our interconnected digital world. Confidentiality, integrity, authentication, and non-repudiation are the foundation of cryptographic protocols. Together, they provide a framework for trust in digital communication. In a typical cryptographic exchange, a plain text message is transformed using a key into ciphertext. The receiver uses either the same key or a paired key to decrypt it back to its original form. One of the earliest ciphers, the Caesar Cipher, replaces each letter with another shifted by a fixed number of positions. It's simple but foundational to understanding encryption. There are three main types of cryptography. Each has its own use cases, from secure messaging to verifying file authenticity. Cryptography plays a vital role in everyday life. Whether you're buying something online or signing a digital contract, encryption is working behind the scenes. Despite its strengths, cryptography faces real-world challenges. Managing keys, preparing for quantum threats, and avoiding user errors are all critical. In summary, cryptography is essential to secure communication and data protection. As our technology evolves, so must our cryptographic techniques. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comments section below. Let's keep learning and growing together.